Hello, I'm Dave Balzer. Today our topic is magnetism. What is it? How is it a fundamental force in our lives? And what role has Nikken played in advancing the benefits of magnetic technology for our lives? So, what is a magnet? A basic or dipole magnet is typically an iron-based metal with its atomic structure aligned so that energy is focused in a single direction. That energy exits the South Pole and flows to the North. It creates what are called flux lines, a cyclical pattern we call the magnetic field. On a larger scale, actually a cosmically larger scale, magnetism is at the very heart of our universe. In fact, planet Earth is one huge magnet. Take a look at this.
The Earth is surrounded by a giant magnetic field circling 360 degrees from one pole to the other. This field, known as the magnetosphere, extends for thousands of miles beyond the surface of the Earth to protect us from harmful radiation. Without the magnetosphere, we simply wouldn't be here. Life could not exist without it. We also depend on this natural phenomenon in other important ways. Magnetic and electrical energy, for example, are very closely intertwined. Like magnetism, electricity depends on a positive and negative polarity. In fact, you can actually create a magnetic field using electricity. An electric motor uses both an electromagnet and a static magnet to function. Magnetic energy affects everything around us. Even at the subatomic level, we see positive and negative charges interacting. In order for these atoms to combine, their electrostatically formed magnetic fields must align. Water is the fundamental compound that is the basis for all life as we know it. A water molecule is created when two hydrogen atoms combine with an oxygen atom. Every water molecule is dipolar, similar to a tiny magnet, and a magnetic field will cause these water molecules to move. This alignment and realignment makes magnetic energy important to all living things. Considering these two basic principles, it's easy to see how everything in our surroundings, including ourselves, is influenced by magnetism.
The problem is, our industrialized society has found ways to interfere with the natural magnetic cocoon our planet provides. We find ourselves surrounded by acres of asphalt, concrete, glass, and steel. It's also influenced by modern conveniences like radio, television, cell phones, and high-tension lines. We're surrounded in our cars and our homes by man-made EMF or electromagnetic fields. In a nutshell, our biological systems are being robbed of the natural principles upon which they depend.
Leadership, innovation, proprietary patented advancements. From the beginning, Nikken has focused on harnessing the natural forces of our universe and then delivering them in unique proprietary wellness products. In the process, we have not only restored what modern society has broken down, we have revolutionized how it's done. In fact, Nikken was the very first to introduce the application of magnetism in wellness products. And to meet their stringent standard of quality and effectiveness, they avoided the undesirable extraneous energy created by electromagnets. Instead, they incorporated static permanent magnets to deliver a clean, stable magnetic field. This commitment has led to the industry's biggest breakthroughs in magnetic technology. A normal dipole magnet creates its magnetic field from the South Pole to the North. Nikken used these magnets and developed the most advanced dipole magnetic patterns to provide the greatest benefit. No matter how advanced the patterns, they still found gaps in the desired coverage area. Since Nikken is never satisfied with shortfalls or compromises, they challenge their researchers to find a better solution, to break out of the box of traditional thinking and develop a better way to provide complete coverage using static magnets. The results? Absolutely extraordinary. EQL magnetic technology is based on a unique triangular magnetic element. It produces multiple polarities within its surface, polarities that help counteract the deficiency common with conventional dipole configurations. When configured in a unique triangular board pattern, EQL provides significantly better coverage, more flexibility, and in the end, more advanced solutions for consumers. The Nikken Wellness Revolution was underway. Nikken's position of leadership is built upon its rich heritage and its strength in research and development. In 2000, Nikken once again reasserted this position by literally breaking the magnetic plane. They recognized that some applications would be better served by a more all-encompassing three-dimensional magnetic field. Why not spin the magnets to produce a dynamic, active magnetic field from static magnets? Certainly a revolutionary idea. Thus, Nikken biaxial magnetic rotation was born. Biaxial rotation spins a powerful permanent magnet at high speeds, distributing its magnetic influence in all directions. The result is a 360-degree magnetic field that's capable of more effective reach and penetration, no matter how irregular the contours it's targeting. Magnetic biaxial rotation made its debut in 2002 when implemented in the revolutionary Nikken Body Energizer, and most recently in the innovative portable Power Mag. This proprietary design outdistanced current magnetic technologies by an exponential leap, and it can only be found in Nikken products. But not all applications will accommodate spinning magnets. Again, Nikken saw a need that required a technology that had not been invented. Today, Nikken not only fills that need, they shatter the barriers to future advancements in magnetic technology. Introducing Radial Axis Magnetism, or RAM for short. RAM technology offers the benefits of three-dimensional coverage, but without moving parts. How is this possible? Nikken makes it so. Each RAM node positions 6 spherical neodymium magnets, each a powerful permanent magnet, in a circle. Each sphere is rotated 60 degrees from its neighbor. 6 times 60 degrees equals 360 degrees. RAM represents advanced design that leads to advanced results. Each RAM node delivers an overall three-dimensional 3,200 Gauss magnetic field, full radial coverage, similar to Nikken's biaxial rotation, but without moving parts. Technological advancement that leads to endless applications for product use. RAM technology, another advancement that solidifies Nikken's position as the undisputed leader in magnetic technology and wellness innovator.
Joining me today to introduce Nikken's latest advance in magnetic technology are Anthony Bove and Dr. Peter Goldberg. Anthony Bove is the president of New Magnetics and has worked closely with Nikken over the past 17 years in developing new technologies which are proprietary and patented and unique to Nikken in the line of magnetics and magnetic technologies. Dr. Goldberg is a board-certified doctor in acupuncture and is a member of Nikken's Scientific Advisory Board. And these gentlemen have brought their expertise here today to talk about the latest technology known as RAM, or Radial Axis Magnetism, and how important it is for the future of Nikken and what it's all about. So Anthony, all that hard work, all those late nights resulted in a brand new magnetic technology, we're calling it RAM technology, that we're introducing here for the first time, that the world has never seen before.
Radial axis magnetism represents a new dimension in magnetic fields, simply because you're getting every angle and position of flux line, and the Gauss strength is increased from 450 to 3,200 Gauss, giving it greater field penetration.
It's not often that we're able to actually produce something that is so creative and that is so innovative that not only has nobody ever seen it before, they probably never even envisioned it. It opens up a lot of possibilities.
It's a quantum leap from what is currently available.
We're now speaking the language of energy, and there's millions and millions of people now throughout North America, certainly around the world, that are becoming more and more savvy about the principles of human energetics, and to understand that when we use different types of magnetic technologies, that we're really interfacing on a very deep level with people in ways that are not approachable with other types of modalities or substances. It's a fact. Nikken is the undeniable leader in magnetic technology, and we have to begin to own that and feel really proud of that, and to go out there and just really invite the world into a whole new world of...
It's absolutely never been done before. It's internationally patent pending, and opens up a whole new world that never existed before.
Dave, the message really is about how do we support cellular wellness. And when we bring the RAM energy field in contact with the human energy field, something very wonderful begins to happen.
It's clear that Nikken's new RAM technology is revolutionary. Nikken continues to push the envelope. It continues to leapfrog its magnetic technologies, improving on the existing technologies, and offering innovation and creativity that's never been seen. Thank you, Anthony. Thank you, Peter. Thank you.
From the beginning, Nikken has been the leader in magnetic technology and was the first to apply this to everyday products. Then came the uniform magnetic coverage introduced by Nikken EQL magnetic technology. Next was the dynamic 360-degree coverage of Nikken magnetic biaxial rotation. And now, radial axis magnetism. RAM technology is the latest generation in three-dimensional coverage in a fixed magnetic design. Today, Nikken stands alone as the technological leader. More magnetic innovations to more people in more countries for more years than anyone else, and they will continue to raise the bar in the advancement of magnetic technology.